All right, really quick. I want to go over this one more time. Number one, arithmetic means that we're going to add or subtract, but basically we're adding a negative when we're subtracting, right? Geometric means we're going to multiply or divide, but really dividing just means we're multiplying by a fraction, right? Okay? So number one, we found to be arithmetic because we added 5 each time. Number 3, guys, seriously, we are multiplying by 1/2, and so that's what we came up with geometric. Number 5, we found to be arithmetic because we are adding -2. And number 7, we found to be geometric because we're multiplying by a -1/2. Now, with number 9, we found number 9 to be, if we added, or if we multiply by 2, our value is 2, to u sub 1, we found that to be 10. And then after a long debate, we decided, wait a minute, it was better if I did 2 times 5, and then 2 times 2 times 5, and then 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 to find each one. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Right, Dante? So then if I want to plug in my n value of u to the n, right, value, if I plug in the n value to figure out whatever one, if I wanted to plug out what 4 was, I should be able to plug in 4, right? And I found, oh, well, if I have 5 times 2 to the n power, then 2 to the 4th is what? Right? 16?
Yeah.
And that was too big. That was actually the 5th one. So what I wanted to do was u to the n minus 1. Right? So when I plug in a 4, right? When I plug in n is 4, right? Then I plug in 4 here, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So r to the 3rd, or 2 to the 3rd, is 8. And 8 times 5 is 40. And that's the correct one. Correct? And the big thing that messed people up was, oh, but wait a minute. Guys, seriously, focus.
Whoa.
I'm hearing something. U to the or what? 5 times r to the n. When I plug in the 1, we found that 1 minus 1 is what? 0. And 0, anything raised to 0 power is equal to 1. That's what makes this thing easy. Okay? Now, we covered all that. Now it's time to cover this. Number 11. Let's go through it. Let's see how fast we can do it. Oh, we can do it. Watch this. Dante, what do we do? It's going to be 4 times what? Times 1/4 times 1/4, right?
It goes 4, 1, 4.
It's the same as before.
16, 32.
Yeah. So, again, this is U3. So it's going to be 4 times 1/4 to the what power? U sub n is equal to 4 times 1/4 to what power? N minus 1. So if I want to find 6, I just plug it in. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. 1/4 to the 5th power. That's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. 4 to the 5th. Well, that's a big number, right? Times 4. Well, I know that that's actually 1/4 away.
It's 1, 2.
So it's actually 1 over 4 to the 3rd, right? Wait, no. 4 to the 4th. What is 4 to the 4th? 256. Very good. So 1 over 256. So that's your answer for the 6th value, right? And your answer for the nth value is right there. It's not hard. It's easy. Is it geometric? Is it recursive or geometric?
Geometric.
Yes.